السلام عليكم، أهلا بكم إلى درس الثامن عشر في برنامج تكلم العربية مع أوباكيدز على قناة أوباكيدز لينك. اليوم بإذن الله تعالى سنتحدث عن جمع التكثير في اللغة العربية مع الأمثلة التوضيحية. Welcome to the 18th lesson of Speak Arabic with Obakids program. Today, inshallah, we're going to discuss the broken plural in Arabic language. We're going to talk about its definition, forms, and examples. In our previous lessons, we discussed plural in Arabic language, and we said the plurals have three forms: the sound masculine plural, the sound feminine plural, and the broken plural. The sound masculine plural جمع لمذكر السالم, and the sound feminine plural جمع لمؤنث السالم are regulars because they are formed by adding suffixes waw and noon and alif and ta to the ends of their singular nouns respectively. In this lesson, we shall talk about broken plural and some of its examples and their formations. What is broken plural? The broken plural in Arabic language is known as جمع التكثير. It is a plural found without following a specific rule or regulation. Broken plural is irregular because its formation does not follow a specific pattern. Many broken plurals are based on hearings. However, some of them were still formed based on some rules guiding their formations. Why is it called broken plural? It is called a broken plural because its singular is not sound. They are broken. This is because their singulars do not undergo a change in parsing marks. Their changes occurred as a result of internal structures of their singulars. There are two major types of broken plurals, which are divided into many others. 1. جمع لكلة, plural of few, and 2. جمع لكثرة, plural of many. Plural of the few, جمع لكلة. This is the form of plural that covers numbers from 3 to 10 items only. It has four major patterns, which are 1. فعلة, 2. أفعلة, 3. أفعال, 4. فعال. Here we have فعلة. These are the plurals that are under the scale of فعلة. إخوة, brothers. Singular form is أخ, brother. صبية, babies. The singular form is صبي, baby. فتية, young men. The singular form is فتى, young man. Here we have another pattern, أفعلة. These are plurals on the scale of أفعلة. أسئلة, questions. Singular form is سؤال, question. أطعمة, foods. Singular form is طعام, food. أجوبة, answers. Singular form is جواب, answer. Here is another pattern, أفعال. These are the plurals that are under the scale of أفعال. أقلام, pens. Singular form is قلم, pen. أصحاب, companions. The singular form is صاحب, companion. أولاد, children. The singular form is ولد, child. Here is another pattern. فعال. These are plurals under the scale of فعال. طلاب, students. The singular form is طالب, student. كتاب, writers. Singular form is كاتب, writer. قراء, readers. The singular form is قارئ, reader. Plural of many, جمع التكثير. It is the type of plural that starts with 3 numbers of item but has no end. Plural of many, جمع التكثير, has many patterns. For the purpose of this lesson, we shall bring some of the patterns. Here we have فعول. These are the plurals under the scale of فعول. بيوت, houses. Singular form is بيت, house. قبور, graves. The singular form is قبر, grave. لحوم, meat. Singular form is لحم, meat. Here we have another pattern. فعل. These are plurals under the scale of فعل. كتب, books. The singular form is كتاب, book. رسل, messengers. Singular form is رسول, messenger. صغر, smalls. Singular form is صغير, small. فعلاء. These are plurals that are under the scale of فعلاء. فقراء, poor. Singular form is فقير, poor. علماء, teachers. The singular form is عالم, teacher. كرماء, honors. Singular form is كريم, honor. Here is another pattern. أفعلاء. These are plurals under the scale of أفعلاء. أغنياء, riches. The singular form is غني, rich. أذكياء, intelligent people. Singular form is ذكي, intelligent person. أنبياء, prophets. Singular form is نبي, prophet. مفاعل. These are plurals that are under the scale of مفاعل. مساجد, mosques. The singular form is مسجد, mosque. مفاتيح, keys. The singular form is مفتاح, key. مكارم, generous people. The singular form is كرم, generous person. Here we have مفاعيل. These are plurals on the scale of مفاعيل. صناديق, boxes. Singular form is صندوق, box. أقارب, relatives. Singular form is أقرب, relative. برامج, programs. The singular form is برنامج, program. This is another pattern. أفعل. These are plurals on the scale of أفعل. أشهر, months. The singular form is شهر, months. أعين, eyes. Singular form is عين, eye. أرجل, legs. The singular form is رجل, leg. Here is another pattern. فلان. These are the plurals on the scale of fulan, buldan. Towns, singular form is baladun, town. Kumsanu, shirts. Singular form is kamisun, shirt. Kudbanu, rods. Singular form is khadibun, rod. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. For today, join us for the next lesson for another episode of Speak Arabic with Obakids. Note, from all the above examples, it is clear that the broken plurals have no specific patterns or rules, unlike other plurals, some masculine and some feminine plurals, which follow guided rules. Shukra ala al-mutaba'a. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel Obakids Link TV, to Facebook and Instagram, and visit our website for more interesting topics and subjects, www.obatutor.com.